Yeah, so we have the product name over here, and based on the product name, I want to find out the sales for each day. The data is available on the top. Yes, so what should I do? So I'll take the price from here. This is F5, the price, and multiply by the quantity for day one. What I'm getting is right. 380. Is it right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Now, if I copy paste this in the remaining cells, will I get the right answer for all the values, all the different cells?
Yes.
Reshma? Yes. Reshma, what do you say?
I actually did not get it. I just missed this part.
Okay. So I'm asking, see, you have
Hmm.
a table on top. ठीक है
Yeah,
हेतल, you have a table at top and उसमें आपको दे रखा है product. We have the product name here, which is product BAEDC. Okay, we have a product and then we have the price per unit. उस product का ये price दे रखा है, अलग अलग price है. And we have the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. These are different days on which the sales have happened, right? Sales
correct.
have happened on these different dates. And this is the quantity sold. This is the quantity sold for each day. हर एक दिन का कितना सेल हुआ है क्वांटिटी में वो दे रखा है. That is given. What I want is I want the amount of sales in rupees. तो यहाँ तो क्वांटिटी यूनिट्स में यहाँ पे एक क्वांटिटी का प्राइस दे रखा है. I want to find out the total sales. So what I've done is this 20 into 194. Correct? So it has given me 3880. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. If this is right, then tell me, if I copy paste this in the remaining cells, will I get the right result for all the other cells? That is my question.
No,
Why no?
because the price is same, but the day two and day three quantity will be different, right? So the cell number will also change.
Huh.
So again, we have to put the formula with the right cell number, right?
Mm-hmm. So when I copy the formula from one cell to another cell, the number doesn't change automatically in Excel.
I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about this.
Okay. Now let me show you what happens.
Sure.
So this is F5 and G5, right? F5 and G5. Now when I copy paste this formula, so I'm just copying Control C and I am pasting it here in all the cells. Control.
No, drag it to the right, the formula will change actually.
Yeah, I'll drag it to the right. Okay, so I'm dragging it. So formula is changing. So the cell referencing is changing. G5 into H5, H5 into I5, I5 into J5, and J5 into K5. But are we getting the right answer? Is this the right amount of sales?
No.
No.
No. Why no? What has happened which should not have happened?
It's not multiplying it with the price. It is actually happening with the last two columns.
Correct. So what we want is, हमें क्या चाहिए? What we want is that the price should remain intact. Which
Correct.
column has the price?
F.
F. F column has the price and column G, H, I, J, K has the quantity. So when I drag the formula towards the right or I copy paste the formula towards the right, the reference, cell reference, what I mean by reference is this C, F5 and G5. When I am seeing the reference, it has become G5 to H5 because what I did here is I had selected these two cells. So when I'm moving one step ahead, this reference is also moving in the same direction. So when I'm moving another step, it is another moving to one more step. Okay, so it is moving in pair. You can see that pair on the top, blue and red color. Yes or no, people?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hetal, are you understanding what is happening? Hetal? हेतल, आप हो वहां पर? You are on mute. Can you unmute yourself, हेतल?
हेलो.
हाँ.
हाँ सर, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इट सर.
हाँ तो आप बोलेंगे तो मुझे पता पड़ेगा ना. You're not getting it. Okay. See.
नाइस.
Okay. So I'll show you again. Everyone, I'm showing it again. Okay. Just give me.
एक्चुअली सर आई मिस द क्लासेस. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग. क्या मतलब हुआ क्या है स्टार्टिंग से? एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है ये कि
हाँ
कैसे
वो
हो
नहीं
रहा
है,
है ये.
आपने स्टार्टिंग का मिस किया ना, इसलिए समझ में नहीं आ
हाँ
रहा. तो
हाँ हाँ
आप
हाँ.
उसको अभी टुमारो देर बी क्लास, बट 2 दिन उसके बाद क्लास नहीं होगा. आई एम ट्रैवलिंग सैटरडे संडे.
ओके.
सो यू रिवाइज, यू डू द रिमेनिंग क्लासेस. इसका अपलोडिंग मैंने ग्राफी के वेबसाइट पे कर दिया, मेरे एक्सेल वाइज पे. यू विल बी एबल टू सी द रिकॉर्डिंग्स. उसमें लॉग इन करके आप देख लेंगे सारा. ठीक है. अभी
ओके
जो
सर.
मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दैट, आपको समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. इवन इफ यू
ओके.
हैव मिस्ड, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई 20 बाय 194. सिंपल
ओके.
कैलकुलेशन करना है हमें. 20 को 194 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
ओके.
क्योंकि ये प्राइस है, ये क्वांटिटी है. ठीक है. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं इक्वल्स टू लगा रहा हूँ. आई एम पुटिंग इक्वल्स टू साइन बिकॉज एनी फॉर्मूला इन एक्सेल स्टार्ट्स विथ इक्वल्स टू. देन आई एम सेलेक्टिंग 20, क्योंकि मुझे ये 20 का वैल्यू यहाँ से चाहिए. एंड आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय, आई एम पुटिंग
194.
मल्टीप्लाई साइन एंड आई एम सेलेक्टिंग 194. ये समझ में आया
ओके.
आपको?
हाँ ये समझ. हाँ.
एंटर करेंगे, आंसर आ गया 3880. फाइन.
ओके. हाँ. राइट.
ठीक है. राइट. नाउ अगेन सेम थिंग आई विल डू हियर.
20 into
F5.
192
हाँ, 20 into 192.
is
सेम
equal
थिंग आई
to.
विल डू हियर अगेन.
Okay. Is equal
F5
to मतलब is equal to
into
F into F. Okay.
I5, right? But there are so many cells, I cannot do it manually. मैं हर एक को खुद से नहीं कर सकता. So what
हाँ.
I'm doing is, instead of doing it one by one, I am copying this formula and I am pasting there. इसको copy किया मैंने Control C से,
Control C. Okay.
and I have selected all these cells. Shift के साथ right arrow and I am pressing Control V. Control V I have pressed.
Control P.
हाँ,
Okay.
Control C and Control V. हाँ बाहर है. हाँ हाँ. So what I'm doing is Control C and Control V. What I'm doing is Control C and Control V.
B. हाँ.
ठीक है. But उसमें एक problem है. There is a big time problem over here. Now what is the problem? I'll tell you. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, ये वैल्यू आया F5 and G5 से. Here the value is coming from G5 and H5. Now G5 is okay. और
H.
सॉरी H5 is okay, but G5 should not be there. क्योंकि ये आगे वाला सेल था, ये हमें चाहिए था. इधर आगे जाएंगे तो वी वांटेड 136, बट वी डिड नॉट वांट 192, वी वांटेड 20 ओनली. यहाँ पे भी
Okay.
आई वांटेड 187, बट आई वांटेड 20, नॉट 136. हियर आल्सो आई वांटेड 199, बट नॉट 187, ओनली 20.
20.
सिमिलरली व्हेन आई कॉपी दिस डाउन, इसको मैं अगर नीचे कॉपी करूंगा, व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू कॉपी डाउन, रेशमा? व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू कॉपी डाउन?
Control. का.
Control D.
हाँ, कंट्रोल डी. So Control D. Now Control D, is Control D giving me the right answer for all the values? Is Control D giving me the right answer? क्या ये नीचे ड्रैग करने से सही आंसर आ गया है? Everyone check 105 into 30 क्या 3150 होता है? Is 105 into 30
Yeah, it's
131?
right.
Yes, it is right. Even 40 into 118, it is right. 6900 into 50, it is right. And 185 into 10 is 1850. So why it gave me the right result here and it did not give me the right result here?
Because when we are going,
Because when we are going down, it is also changing the reference, but the reference is moving in the same direction. For each product, I have a different price and I have a different quantity. So they are moving parallelly. So that is why I'm getting the right answer, right? But if I copy paste this here, I will not get the right answers. Are you all agreeing with me?
Yes.
Because the same problem which I explained is there. Now, how to fix up this problem? What is the fix for this problem? Have you understood why we are not getting the right answers?
Yeah.
So, if I copy paste the data and if F5 or the column F remain column F only, then there will be no problem, right? Then there will be no problem. So when I copy paste this data and column F remain column F, then there will be no problem. Do you all agree with me? Santosh? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how to ensure that when I copy F5 remains F5 only, F remains F. So we'll put a dollar before it. We will type a dollar symbol before F. Okay. And let me copy paste this now. Or let me drag it towards the right now. Are we now getting the right answers?
yes,
And if I drag it down, I am again getting the right answers.
yes,
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, yes.
And
Yeah.
if you see anywhere, if you see any formula, everywhere you will see column F only. F5, 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 not I5, J5, something like that. Here also you are getting F7, F6, F6. Okay, but we are getting this change. Okay, why? Because we have freezed the column F. We have freezed the column F. Understood? Yes?
Yes. So I have a question.
Yes,
If
please.
we put this dollar symbol in front of any formula and we drag and drop, it will be like same.
Um,
Is it like that? Or
no.
only for this particular
No,
problem?
only for this. Suppose now I'll